Hi everyone, in this video I'll walk you through how to update drivers on Windows 11. Keeping your drivers up to date can help your computer run faster, fix errors, and improve compatibility with apps and devices. First, click on the Start menu, then select Settings. In the Settings window, look at the left sidebar and click on Windows Update. Now, click Check for Updates. If Windows finds updated drivers, they'll automatically download and install. Sometimes specific drivers don't show up in regular updates. To check, select Advanced Options, then scroll down and click Optional Updates. If any drivers are listed here, just check the boxes next to them and click Download and Install. You can also update drivers using Device Manager. Right-click the Start button and choose Device Manager. Then, right-click a device like your graphics card and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers to let Windows find the latest version. And that's it. That's how you update drivers in Windows 11 using Windows Update or Device Manager. Keeping your drivers updated helps keep your PC running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.